If you would like to create more complex waterfalls like these examples, please continue watching to see how this is done. The first step to building a complex waterfall chart is to enter your complete data into the datasheet. When you are finished with this, you further configure the chart and its connectors with your mouse. Let's have a closer look at this. You can change the position of any connector in the chart. To do this, first select the connector by clicking on it. The connector shows a handle on each end. When you click and drag the handle you want to move, all available anchor points are highlighted. Drag to your preferred anchor point and release. Repeat this for other handles if necessary. Whenever you reposition a connector, the entire chart rearranges to accommodate the change and all equals columns are updated. Please be aware that if you move a connector, the meaning of your chart may change. In a basic waterfall chart, 2 columns are connected by one horizontal connector. If you want to dissolve this connection, for instance because you want to use the first column of the chart as a reference value, you can separate it from the other columns of your waterfall chart. Just click on the connector between the first and second column and hit the delete key. The connector is deleted and the first column is now separated from the sum calculation of the waterfall, and will remain so when you change the values in the datasheet. You can also add connectors to the waterfall. Right-click into the chart and select Add Waterfall Connector from the context menu. Click once on an anchor point to place one end of the connector. Then click again on another anchor point to place the other end of the connector. Your new connector is now set. Now that you've learned how to change, delete, and add connectors, let's have a look at how this can be used in a concrete example of a complex waterfall chart. Let's say you would like to show 2 different scenarios within one waterfall chart. Start by entering the values for both scenarios into different categories of the datasheet. Then reconfigure the connectors for the segments of the different scenarios one by one to build a waterfall that is adding up to 2 separate flows. Now you are done. Your complex 2-scenario waterfall chart is complete.